Magandang araw mga kabiyahero. Yan at pag-usapan naman natin ngayon at ating panoorin ang magandang laban ng Denver Nuggets at ng Los Angeles Lakers. Game 2 kung saan na talagang mainit ang kanilang bakbakan at sa huling segundo nagkatalo ang laban. Kaya ito mga kabiyahero, wag na nating patagalin pa. Ating panoorin na ang labang Denver Nuggets at Los Angeles Lakers. Yan, let's go mga kabiyahero. Let's watch this.
Shot clock at 4, screened by Jokic, knocked away by LeBron. The steal, the trap.
Wow! Slam dunk by LeBron.
Sledgehammer. 3-point game, Jokic the other way. The pass down low, Gordon. Back to
Ayun lang.
right now. Driving through, sneaking to the rim.
Ganda ng laban.
It's James.
Buhat-buhat talaga ni LeBron, no?
Defend. Gets the screen. LeBron comes up on him. Here is
Balikan lang eh.
12 here on the fourth. Defender.
Balikan lang ang laban.
Three.
Uy, bakit niya tinira, no?
Denver with the time.
Bakit niya tinira? Hindi niya pinasok.
Tie ball game. Worst can happen.
Pero bagay, di natin masabi talaga kasi digdigan yung laban.
Makes a move.
Ow! Buzzer beater. Ang sakit nun.